Next up, A Tiding of Magpies for Turncoat. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now Control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this will lead to neutralize 5 enemies in a specific location and find a phone. So for this, we'll need to head to Chon village, which is just south of Midnight Sapphire, all the way up north here. It's this location. There's 2 different landing zones you could use to get here, otherwise you're going to be running for quite some time. So for now, I've landed at Golf 1 by Farlang Airfield, and I'll head west. So coming up here, we'll need to head to the southmost building right in the center. Over there, not where I've marked, but just south of it, and inside of there you'll find the phone. The 5 enemies should be nearby in this town. Right there's where we're heading. Pushing up in this place, we've discovered Chon village, and clearing out just any old enemy here counts towards the 5. 3 out of 5, 4, and 5 out of 5. Sweet. There may of course be more enemies here, so don't just drop your guard. Now finally, inside this same southmost building, right over here to the left, near these boxes and bits of garbage, you should find a phone here. Take this and hand it in right here. We'll keep it in my back pocket for safe storage. And that's it. We can hand over the phone, and just like that, we finished the mission. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.